Hey there, and thanks for checking out Level. We're really excited with the recent announcement that we have released a Linux ARM agent. And so today we want to demonstrate that we can install Level on an Nvidia Jetson device. A Jetson is an IoT device common in industrial applications and also in AI and machine learning applications. And so here we've pulled up JTOP. We can take a look at the device. We hit option 7. We can go over and see that this is an Nvidia Jetson or a Nano developer kit. We can see that it has all of the libraries that take advantage of the GPU. So these are great little devices that have a lot of power. So let's go ahead and let's install Level now. So we're going to hop over and we're going to choose Install New Agent. And switch over to Linux. And we're going to copy this to the clipboard. Now I'm on my KVM here. I'm going to go ahead and choose to paste it through the KVM. And let's run this. Oh, I can see I forgot to install kernel. So after I got my credentials in here, let's install curl. Oops. Let's privileges. There we go. Okay, now let's try to install Level again. And the installer is off. Just a minute, we will see. There we go. There's the message we're looking for. Level has now been installed. So now if we go over to the dashboard, give it a second. There we have it. We see a new one called Level Jetson. And we might need to give it a minute, but immediately we should start to see information about this device. We can see that it's running Ubuntu. We can see it's an Nvidia or a Nano developer kit. We can see it has processors, disks, and network interfaces. We can even see the serial number I see here. So next, let's go ahead and try to manage the device. And look at that. Terminal comes up, and now we can manage the device through Level wherever this device may be in the world. Get all the same information out of JTOP. So this is just really incredible that we can now bring in IoT devices that are going to become much more common, but also the challenge is that they're not going to be secure. And so unfortunately, we don't have any updates that we need to install on this device yet because I updated it prior to installing Level. But if we did, here's where we would see available patches that we could then deploy here through Level. So hopefully this will be useful to you all. We're just really excited about this. We just look forward to see what you can do with Level. Thanks.